Hi friends, this video is to explain you how to grow and propagate the Syngonium or arrowhead plant. This is grown in my flat in Saudi Arabia. So this plant grows well inside and also outside. So it's a well-known indoor and outdoor plant, and it's very easy to propagate this plant. There are a lot of varieties for this arrowhead plant, and you can see the different varieties with different leaves. And the beautiful thing about this is the leaves will last for long, and the plant will also grow more and more like every month. Here I have grown it in soil, and the soil I got from the plant nursery, which is here in Saudi Arabia. I'm living in Dammam, and I get from a nursery from Dammam which is known as the Sultan Garden Center, and the soil is like a black soil which is with fertilizers along with it, and also you can get fertilizers from here, or you can make natural fertilizer by mixing eggshell and the waste of fruits or vegetables which you use in your kitchen. Just grind it in the mixture and apply to the soil like 1 spoon in a month. And here is the soil. You can see it's black color soil, so I mix it with the soil which is present outside, and together I make the potting soil. And here you can see the plant which is grown in water. So this grows well in water as well as in soil for years, and this plant has been here in water for 1.5 years, and the water I use is the distilled water, which is the drinking water. These plants I have brought from India, and this is my house in India. So when I come to Saudi Arabia, I'll bring like small pieces of all the plants from India, and then I grow here, or I get something from the plant nursery. Here you have in the Dammam area, in the Katif area, etc. So these are the arrowhead plants which are at my house in India, Kerala, and Kerala is a very beautiful place. You have to see and visit it, and it's rainy season in Kerala. This plant is also known as the climbing plant because you can make it grow on another tree or another plant or on a stem like that, and it's so very well like as a climbing plant and also as a hanging plant. And in my apartment I have kept it as a hanging plant. It hangs well also. So the thing is that you can get everything from the Sultan Garden Center, or you can bring it from home. It's not very expensive in this nursery. This plant costs less than 1 riyal, and if you grow it in your house it will grow very big. So you can get small plants from this nursery and then grow it, nurture it so that it will grow big. And this is the indoor side of this plant nursery. You can see the outdoor sittings and many other indoor plants which are grown here. So you can buy from here if you are really a plant lover. So you have the option of getting plants from the nursery, or you can bring it from India, or you can get it from your friends, or you can propagate your own. And I'm shocked to see the rate of this thing, because this grows in India. In my house I have n number of this plant, and it just grows like that, and here it is very expensive, like 7,900 riyal, which is almost 1.5 lakh rupees in India. So let's start how to propagate this. You can see the nodes on the plants, and in every nodes you can see the small roots are growing up. So what you have to do is you have to cut in between those nodes so that you can grow a new plant. So you cut here, and then you place the nodal part in water so that these roots will grow up and new leaves will start coming in the arrowhead plant. So I have grown this in hanging pot, indoor hanging pot. So the speciality is there is a tray below the pot, so that if you add excess water it will stay in the tray below and it won't flow to your house. So it's better to use this kind of indoor hanging pots. This I got from the lifestyle store, or you can get from any other home decor or home furnishing showrooms, or you can get it online. It is having a hook so that you can keep on the hook. If you are really a plant lover, you can grow plants indoor, and it will add beauty and color to your house and also to your life, and also it will purify the air if there is any pollutant, or it will refresh the oxygen. I have many videos on growing indoor plants in my channel, so please subscribe my channel and also press the bell button so that you'll get notified when I add new videos. So here you have to cut between the internodes, and you can see my plant. I have cut it for you just to show you how to grow a new plant from it. So this is one single long plant, and I have cut in between the nodes, which is the internodal part, so that you know the when you immerse in water, the roots from the node will grow up. When you grow a new plant, you can place it in water or directly into soil. So either way you can grow this plant. That's the best thing about this. So I have taken water in a flower vase and I have kept this cut plants in that, so you can see it. So you have to keep it like that, one node at the bottom of it should be immersed in the water so that this root will grow up, and 3 by 4th of the part should be above water. It should not be like you will immerse the entire plant in the water. So it's like this, you can see like the node immersed in water and the other part is above the water level, so that these nodes will grow up after 4 or 5 days. Other way to grow it is in the soil, and also you can propagate from the soil. So when it grows in the soil, you have many plants like in one stem. So what you have to do is you have to cut between these two plants. You can see two plants here, so you'll cut it there so that you'll get to another plants with roots which is grown in the soil. And now you can plant these individual plants in another pot, or you can keep it in water, or any way you can like. So that is the best thing about this plant, either in soil or in water, and very less sunlight is required. So I have kept one plant in the same pot and the other one I am planting it another pot. You have to water the plant and then you have to keep enough soil above it. And the main thing is that you should not water it every day. You have to touch the soil after 3 or 4 days, and if it is very dry only, you will pour water into it. And now this is the same plant after 5 days, and you can see the roots have started growing after 5 days, the white color. So it's the same plant. So this is how it grows, and now the roots will start growing up and the jar will be completely full of roots, and also the leaves will start coming up. You can see the roots showing up. So this is how this is grown in water, and in the soil also it will grow well. And the other one from which I have cut the part, you can see a small new plant is starting to grow there. So here it will sprout up and new plants like new leaves will form here. So this is how you propagate the Syngonium or the arrowhead plant. Hope you have liked the video. Please subscribe, share and press the bell button, and please do comment. Thank you so much for watching.